everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today went ahead and worked on more wire pulls, but before we did that, we had to uncross some pipes up in the ceiling. So the guy that I've been working with since TJ's been gone, a different apprentice that I've been working with for the last 3 or 4 days, maybe this whole week, 5 days, maybe last Friday, so maybe 6 days. Anyways, he was up in the containment cart and he was uncrossing the pipes. So I had to get a few pieces of pipe together and put that in exchange for the old pipes that were in the wrong area. I assume I didn't go up there, so I didn't really know what he was doing, but he got taken care of, and so we got that done. And then from there we went ahead and pulled in the rest of the string, true tape, got the number lengths for how long the wire was going to be, and that was in the third pipe. And then we went ahead and pulled the second wire pull twisted up the LB again, filled it full of wire lube, and then we went ahead and pulled in the wire with me, Steven, new apprentice, another apprentice, and a different journeyman. So there was like 5 of us at different points because we had to be here pulling the wire, feeding the wire, another guy in the middle going from the 12 by 12 junction box, so in and out, and then another guy and another guy, one guy pulling at the final destination, and I don't know if we had a 5th guy or not, but anyways, got that wire pulled in. Steven did the loop-de-loop trick. We have to get everything off of the floor, so we got that all cut. We got cut off like 80 feet or so, and now we just have to backfeed it like we did the other day, which goes to this box right here. As you can see, the string up in here. I'll zoom in here in a second. As you can see, the string goes through, and that was for the wire length. Maybe this is the other box. I can't remember. Anyways, yeah, so it's pretty much the same pathway as the other wire that we pulled in the other day. It goes to that junction box in the middle, and then it kind of splits off 90s up here, and then the string goes through, which you can't see. String goes up and then down, and then it goes over here to its final destination right here with the red, white, and green wires. So I'm not sure, I might be confusing the circuits between the critical and the other wire, but anyways, that's the end of the line right there for that guy. Anyways, that's what we got done today, and then the rest of the day we took everything out of here because they're doing the floors on Monday. So anyways, we got everything out of here at the end of the day, and that pretty much wraps it up. I just want to say a huge shout out to everyone. Thank you for believing in me and supporting me. We got to 18,000 subscribers this morning exactly when I woke up, so that was a beautiful sight to see. Doing the giveaway here very shortly, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the giveaway, like I said, and hopefully you guys have a great rest of your weekend. Have a safe weekend and stay safe. Love you guys. See you in the next one. God bless. Peace.